All right guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh V and I hope you're ready for a good one. Today I'm going to be reviewing the CAT electric pressure washer. Now I've done a similar review in the past. This machine is actually made by Active and I'll link that video up here somewhere. But that's my favorite electric pressure washer. You get the full 2 GPM of water flow, and for car detailing especially, that is amazing. Now the CAT branded one looks a little bit different, but if you look on the website, again, if you watch the other video, you'll see the comparisons between the Active website and this CAT website for this pressure washer. It's got the same exact internals, the 5 piston pumps, everything's the same. A couple different accessories, so we're gonna jump into that, unbox this thing, and then test it out, just to confirm all those numbers. All right, really quickly guys, I am going to be giving this unit away, so please just make sure you wait to the end. I'll announce how you guys can be entered to win this pressure washer. All right, you guys, so here it is. Here's the CAT electric pressure washer. It says right on top 1800, which is 1800 PSI. Now, it doesn't actually get that. That's the highest rating, but when you're getting that 2 GPM, it actually operates, if it's similar to the Actives, which it should be, it actually operates around 1200, I believe. So 1800, disregard that. That's pretty standard across all pressure washers. That's their max rating and not the usable pressure. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, and here it is. Now first things first, the hose that they give you. Not a bad hose, it's just short. So I definitely recommend upgrading the hose. Now, this is an M22 by 15 millimeter connection point. So when you upgrade your hose, I always recommend the UberFlex hose. I'll put a picture of it over here for you guys. It's super pliable, it doesn't kink, and it's 50 feet long compared to this, which is 20 or 25, I believe. Yeah, so this is actually a 20-foot hose. So it's just not long enough to get the job done. It's okay as far as it moves okay, and it doesn't want to kink, which is a big plus. So that's great. Like I said, it's just too short and a little too stiff. So I definitely recommend the UberFlex. And this is the UberFlex hose. Beautiful blue colorway. Super pliable and doesn't kink. So highly recommend these. Again, this is an M22 by 14 millimeters, so you can either get an adapter that is an M22 by 15 that reduces down to an M22 by 14, or you can get a quick connect that's made for an M22 15 for the side that the hose connects to the machine, and then the other side you can either just screw straight into your aftermarket pressure washer wand, or you can get a quick connect on that side. For that quick connect, you need an M22 by 14. So it's up to you guys. All that will be linked down in the description below. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and pull this out. They give you a little soap dispenser. Not the best. Always recommend upgrading to an actual foam cannon. Instruction manual with your tips. So with this one, you actually get a 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and 40 degree. Now, if it's anything like the Actives, let's just check real quick. They come with a 3.7 millimeter orifice, and that is exactly what these have. They're listed on there. This one shows 15037. That means 15 degree angle, 3.7 millimeter. So great nozzles for this machine. Pull this out, and then you have your accessories that go on the sides. One thing I really like about these pressure washers, the Actives as well as this CAT, is these attachments just slide on and clip into place. You don't have to screw anything in. It makes it super simple. It does come with a 35-foot power cord that has the ground fault interrupt plug on it. So you're safe there. Let's see here. Right off the bat, you have right on the front here is the water inlet valve. It has a little mesh screen on it, so you're not getting any contamination through the system. On the back of the unit, which I always prefer to have one side in, one side out, so you're not getting all tangled up. Back of the unit, you do have your This is an M22 by 15 millimeter connection point. So again, get the adapter or the quick connects for the UberFlex hose. So right here is the holder for the cord. Slides right into place. Very nice. The cord wraps all the way around, and the plug goes right in the middle, which is great. Keeps everything nice and flush and looking really clean. Power button is right on top. So that's all good, and the other whole little compartment goes right on the other side, slides right into place, and it's good to go. This one fits right over here. That's nice. Let's see what else we've got. So this piece clips onto the back here. Good to go. You can wrap your hose around that, and then this little strap comes over the top and hooks down right there to hold it all in place. So actually really nice. That's actually pretty cool. It is just like a nice thick rubber. Feels durable. Feels like it won't be any issue. So that's super nice. Then we have the pressure washer wand and extension that it comes with. Now, it is a nice metal extension, very strong and sturdy, has the 1/4 inch quick connect at the end for all your nozzles. The wand itself feels sturdy, and it is a basic push on and actually twist it in and make it nice and secure, so I like that. That's decent. I still recommend getting an aftermarket pressure washer wand, but this one will do. I would just recommend still for sure getting the hose. This pressure washer wand is actually not bad. And if you do keep this one, then you're gonna want an M22 by 15 millimeter connection for this point. Otherwise, you're gonna have a leak. All right, guys, really quickly, just wanted to bring something to your attention. With this pressure washer, as well as with the active VE52, which is the same unit as this essentially, it does have the ground fault interrupt plug. Now, with most other brands, you're gonna plug it in, the green light's gonna come on, and it's gonna be powered, and you're gonna be ready to go. With these ones, for some reason, when you plug them in, the light does not come on. You have to hit the reset for it to fire on. So just keep that in mind. It's not a big deal at all. It's just kind of a quirk that it isn't too much of a big deal, but just wanted to bring it to your attention. Alrighty guys, so I've got the unit plugged in, got water hooked up to it. I'm just gonna fire it on. I do have my M22 by 15 to M22 14 adapter hooked up so I can use my UberFlex hose. I'm just going to connect my pressure washer gauge in line from the hose to the wand, and we're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and start testing this thing out. And with the original nozzles that this comes with, they are all 3.7 millimeter orifice sizes, so I only have to check one. So we're basically just gonna do it to confirm that it gets the same numbers as the active, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm going to be using the 40-degree nozzle. Plug that in. Now I have the water running and it's all ready to go. I'm just going to pull the trigger, let the air purge out of the hose. Sounds good so far. Doesn't sound like there's any air in the line. So we're going to go ahead and fire it on. Just like the active, sounds exactly the same as the active unit does. Powers up, nice quiet unit. Let's go ahead and check the numbers. Okay, so we are getting 1100 usable pressure, 1100 PSI. So now a lot of people are concerned with, hey, how can you rate a pressure washer at 1800 for example, and have it only actually giving 1100 PSI usable pressure? Now I don't know what the standard is for the tests for these pressure washers, but it's pretty standard that they rate them higher than the actual usable pressure is. And as you can see on the gauge, when I release, I'll pull the trigger, when I release it, you'll see the pressure spike. And I think that's what they based the rating off of. So if you can see that, it went up to like basically 2,000 PSI, right about to 2,000 PSI. So that's pretty much what the rating is. It is getting 1,100 PSI, same as the active VE52 of usable pressure. Now let's go ahead and check the GPM. Alrighty guys, so same method as always. We're just gonna run the machine into a bucket for 1 minute. There's a measuring guide on the side of this bucket, so we're able to see exactly how many gallons per minute this machine gives us. So just let me get my stopwatch ready. Get this thing set up, and here we go. Alrighty. Now, this bucket only goes up to 7 quarts, and it is, let's see here, 7, I don't know, probably a little over 7.5 quarts. So 8 quarts would be the 2 GPM. So I'm just gonna estimate it at 7.5. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's a ton of water. So at 7.5, it's 1.875 GPM. It's probably a little bit above that. So we're basically sitting at 1.9 to 2 GPM. So there you go, guys. Same numbers as the active VE52. Fantastic unit, sounds great. Build quality is amazing. And I couldn't recommend these more. So again, I am gonna be giving this pressure washer away. So in order to be entered to win, I need you to comment down below in the video that you wanna win the pressure washer. Make sure you like and are subscribed to the channel, and then go over to my Instagram. It's at IamJoshV, just like the channel is called, and that link will be down below as well. And make sure I'm gonna put a post up of this pressure washer, and you have to go on and comment on that pressure washer post as well. Everyone that does that will be entered in for the giveaway. So I'll choose a giveaway winner in a week's time. This is gonna go up on Saturday, so by next Saturday I'll announce the winner. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.